Hey, we're in Urbandale, Iowa, in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods. We're in the Hallbrook neighborhood. We're really excited to show you this listing here. It has 5 bedrooms, 5 baths. It has over 4,000 total finished square feet. While we're outside, I want to highlight one of my favorite things about this house. I know it's a silly thing, but it has a brand new driveway that was just recently installed in 2023. It's big time. And so as we progress throughout the house, we're going to be showing a lot of neat features at this house. One other highlight I want to say about when we're outside is that it has an irrigation system, which is big time to have for this executive 2-story home. As you enter in, you'll see just the grand foyer. It's likely about 20 feet, so it's just big time. As you entertain guests, it's just nice how much natural light that this foyer features. We'll progress now to this very stately, awesome front office here. You'll see the wainscoting maple here, and then additionally you'll see this built-in desk and bookcase. So if you're like me that works from home quite a bit, it's great to have this already established. And I love the natural light in here. It's a great workspace, and I like how you have French doors in here where when you have little kiddos like I do, you can shut the door, but at the same time your kids can see what's going on rather than bursting in. So an additional really great feature that this house has is 3/4 inch hardwood floor, maple hardwood floors. So it's a great, and they've done a really great job maintaining it. It still looks like a new house to me. And this house was for Accurate Homes. This was the show home for a while there after it was built. So they've really done a great job of really loving the home and taking care of it, but also adding some nice updates throughout. This room right here, this is kind of a bonus room. This can be a formal dining room, but additionally, if you switch out the light fixture, this can be a nice front sitting room. It just depends on what you want in your home. We'll progress now to kind of my overall favorite feature to this home. So you will be really amazed by this kitchen. So this kitchen is truly a chef's kitchen. You have a really nice, built-in gas stove stovetop right here. You have a nice high-end dishwasher. You have an updated refrigerator, microwave built-in stove, a nice pantry here. Plenty of cabinet space in this kitchen. The owners here, they've updated the kitchen faucet. They added this updated backsplash. I really like how much light comes into this kitchen. One thing I really like as well is that you have plenty of space for a nice eat-in kitchen. So this is plenty of space to have a really good size kitchen table. I'm a family of 6, so this would fit at least 8 people. All right, as you progress here, you have a really nice 4-season room right here. It's just a great family space. It's nice and cozy. You can spend a lot of time in this room and just hang out here. You have a laundry room, which I'm a big fan. I have a laundry closet, but it's great that you have this laundry room. Kitchen appliances are included along with washer and dryer, so it's just a nice feature. This is turnkey, truly turnkey, ready to go property. You have a window in there too, so sometimes if you don't want to do your laundry, you have some inspiration with the window. You have a very nice powder room right here for guests as you host and so on and so forth. So in here we'll progress now to the mudroom. So you have nice hooks here, and I really like that you have efficient closet space to hang up your coats. 3-stall attached garage, as you can see. Homeowners they've done so much work to this property. It's a very welcoming garage. It's hard to say that, but at the same time it really is. It's nice and bright, great lights. It's been freshly painted, just a wonderful space. Additionally, there is a central vac to this property as well, so that's where the central vac system is there. So now we'll check out the family room. Family room here, updated carpet in 2022. Great space overall. Really beautiful built-ins. You have 9-foot plus ceilings. It is just a great space overall. I like that you get so much natural light in this this family room right here, where you can really see the outdoors in the well-manicured yard, but additionally, it has enough space that your finish will fit. It's a really nice hosting space if you're watching the Iowa State Cyclones, Iowa Hawkeyes, or you just have a nice family movie night. There's a lot of space in here. And I like the bookcase, the shelving right here where you can put your books or design features, family photos, things like that. It's just a really nice family room. Now we'll check out the second floor. On the second floor, you have 4 beds, 3 baths, and an amazing walk-in closet. All right, we'll start in the master suite. This master bedroom has plenty of space for your armoire, dresser, California king if you won't have that. It's a very spacious master. One of the really nice things about this master is not just the bedroom, but you have an amazing walk-in closet. This walk-in closet is, it's a dream. We'll progress now to the master bathroom. Really an amazing jacuzzi tub here. You have double sinks right here. One of the really cool things the owners have done recently is they updated the walk-in shower here. They updated the tile here, tile floor. They added these doors here. To round out the master, you have your restroom here. It's nice to have a privacy door as well. Across from the master, you have guest bedroom 1 or kid bed 1. What's really neat about this one is it has its own private ensuite, its own bathroom, and it has a walk-in closet. Now we're going to check out the two bedrooms, the last two bedrooms of the second floor. Here's bedroom 1. You have good closet space right here. Really good natural light. And then these blinds are very nice as well. We have them up so you can really see all the natural light. But you can kind of get a peek here. We won't walk through it yet, but you can see the Jack and Jill here. It's nice to have that shared bathroom. A little nice feature here is an oversized linen closet. All right, here's the fourth bedroom in the home. Again, great space. This is a very well-designed 2-story home. You have good closet space here. Then we'll progress now to the Jack and Jill. So with the Jack and Jill here, what's really nice is that you have multiple doors for privacy. You have double sink here, kid size, and then you have a privacy door for the toilet and the shower. Again, this is immaculately taken care of. One owner, accurate home resale. So it's a great home. All right, so off the kitchen and dining area, you have an oversized composite deck. What's cool about this deck here is you have a direct gas line here. It's an oversized composite deck, as you can see. Great for entertaining. You have a custom pergola here. This is huge. So this is a wonderful home to host and to hang out. And so it's just right off the kitchen. Prepare your meats, come out here, grill, enjoy spring, summer, and fall. And then you have a nice, good space, good width here, direct access to your patio that's off the basement there. One other thing I want to highlight is the mature trees that are growing here. What's nice about this neighborhood, it is a newer neighborhood, but at the same time, they did a good job, the developers, trying to save as many trees as possible. You'll see the backyard here. See all the river rock the owner has put in. And then additionally, see all the trees are built in as well. It's a very homey feel. This is over a half-acre lot. Nice flat space over here on the side. You can kind of see the mow lines here, how wide this yard is. It's a very good sized yard. All right, we'll progress down to the walkout basement. This is, again, another great feature to this property. New carpet in 2022. So as you come down here, you'll see you have you don't feel like it's a basement with how big these windows are and how well lit it is overall. This is just another great entertaining space. I've been saying that word a lot, but this is a very beautiful custom built home, and there's just a lot of really great features throughout. So this would be a great space when you're watching sporting events. Put your cookies, put your potluck stuff here, and then just to hang out, you can put with a refrigerator here, you can put a lot of your drinks, things like that. So it's great for entertaining. We want to highlight now the patio on the lower level. So off your lower level, you have this direct access to the lower level concrete patio. With this, since we're below the deck with the Trek decking, that provides some coverage too. So if it's super hot, you can still enjoy your yard and outdoor space through this coverage. This is a huge concrete patio, and so it's really wonderful space, and so you can enjoy even the hottest of hot summers. So you have more coverage there. Now as we progress here, You have your 5th bathroom right here. We'll show you, but you have a pocket door here, so you can shut this door, so if you have guests that are going to be staying here, they can make this almost like their ensuite. So we'll progress over here. This is your 5th bedroom here. Great space overall. You have good closet space over here. So again, if you have a teenage child or a couple kids that want to sleep in the basement, this is plenty of space. And then if you have family that stays for an extended amount of time, with it being a walkout basement, this is a very welcoming, a very nice 5th bedroom. And you can make this de facto an ensuite as well. We got 2 nice storage areas in the basement. Storage area number 1. And you have some additional space there. What's really nice is the sellers have really taken care of this property, and they've saved the carpet, some of the old tile, things like that. So down the road, the tile's in great shape, but if something really heavy falls, rather than having to do all the tile, you can just replace one piece at a time. There's enough materials there. So the second storage area is very large. So as you can see, you have a really big area here for storage. One thing I want to highlight, in 2016, they updated the furnace and AC. They updated the water filtration system as well. So it's wonderful to see that as well. And additionally, this is 2018. So you got plenty of life in all the mechanicals. Right here, what I really like about this room here is that this could easily be finished into a 6th bedroom if you need it. Could be a workout room. What I like about it is you have a really big window here. It provides a lot of light. As you can see, you have a garden level window right here. So plenty of light right in here. And what I like about this, if you want to pop in another another window right here to get more light, since this is, it's going to take work, but you can pop one in pretty easily. And that's pretty awesome to have as well. So if you really want to make this into another office, another bedroom, a craft room, things like that, this room is not going to be a tremendous amount of work to do that. So I like that there's still potential. There's over 4,000 total finished square feet, but there's still potential to customize a room in this house. So that's a pretty sweet feature. But even if you finish that area, you still have plenty of space for storage, especially when you have that additional space there. If you have any questions about this Accurate Homes resale, please reach out. It's just a 1-owner home, over 4,000 finished square feet, 5 beds, 5 baths, 3-stall attached garage. This house is fully ready to go. It's turnkey ready to go. Interior paint has been freshly done. Exterior paint's been done. HVAC system is 2016. They did a lot of landscaping in 2020, carpets 2022. So this house is really, truly a remarkable home, great opportunity to really move into this Hallbrook neighborhood. If you have any questions, please reach out.